Hey guys, Rob Demmer here with Jack Demmer Ford. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to set up your preferred dealer in the FordPass app. Setting your preferred dealer in the FordPass app is going to make it easier to get in contact with your dealer if you've got questions about your vehicle or if you need to schedule a service appointment. To set your preferred dealer, you're first going to need to add your vehicle into the FordPass app. If you're new to FordPass or haven't added a vehicle before, check out the link in the description to my other video going over how to get started on FordPass. Once your vehicle is added into the FordPass app, tap the vehicle icon located at the bottom of the screen. On this page, select Service and Support, which is located on the right side. And from here, you'll see Preferred Dealer, and below that, the icon to Find a Dealer. Select Find a Dealer. This will bring up a map of your surrounding location, and all nearby Ford dealers will be displayed. You can tap the circle icon located at the bottom right to hone in on your exact location. You also have the option of using the search bar at the top of the page and typing in your preferred Ford dealer that way. Once you have found the dealer, tap the dealer icon to bring up the store's information, and then tap again on their name. From here, you can select the Set Preferred Dealer option to save them as your favorite. With the preferred dealer set, you will now see the dealer's information displayed the next time you go to your vehicle's service and support section. From here, you can either choose to schedule service or call the dealer. Make sure to like this video if it helped you learn a little bit more about your FordPass app today. If you're interested in more videos about Ford products or tech help, make sure to subscribe to the Jack Demmer Ford YouTube channel.